Natural home remedies for dark neck. Dark neck can happen due to sun exposure, poor hygiene, or even hormonal imbalances. But don't worry, nature has got your back. First up, the Lemon and Cucumber Brightening Mask. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C to lighten dark patches, and cucumber hydrates and soothes. Just mix fresh cucumber juice with lemon juice and apply it to your neck. Leave it for 15 minutes, rinse with cool water and moisturize. Next, Aloe Vera Gel Treatment. Aloe vera reduces pigmentation and keeps your skin hydrated. Extract fresh aloe vera gel, massage it gently onto your neck, leave it for 10-15 minutes and rinse. Do this daily for the best results. Now let's talk apple cider vinegar exfoliation. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of water. Apply it with a cotton pad, leave it for 10 minutes, rinse thoroughly and moisturize. Do this 2-3 times a week. Baking soda. Exfoliating scrub is another great option. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with water to form a paste. Spread it on your neck, wait for 5-7 minutes, then rinse and moisturize. Do this twice a week. Fifth, try the potato juice remedy. Grate a potato, extract the juice, apply with cotton ball, rinse after 15 minutes and moisturize. Use this daily for the best results. Lastly, the turmeric and yogurt glow mask. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Apply it to your neck, leave it for 15 minutes, rinse off and hydrate. Use this 3 times a week. Always moisturize after these remedies, use sunscreen, stay hydrated, and maintain a nutritious diet. Try these consistently and embrace a naturally radiant neck. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural beauty tips.